Hi, I'm Kelly Penland, your Flatland to the Mountains of Franklin, North Carolina relocation specialist, and today I'm going to take you out to Knob Hill Cottage, and it's just as charming as it sounds. This is a single level home, 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, and from the time that you enter from the covered front porch and you see the open floor plan and the charm and the PERGO floor, you're absolutely going to fall in love. This home has a living room with a wood-burning fireplace, vaulted ceiling, and open floor plan, and if you like the farmhouse cottage style, you're going to love the kitchen. It has new appliances, subway tile, and it has Kraftmaid, you know, those soft closed drawers that everybody likes now, entrance, an exit there from the kitchen out to a grilling deck, and then everything's on the one level. So you've got your washer and dryer, which are fairly new. You've got your master bedroom with bathroom en suite, your guest bedroom, your guest bathroom, and you've got over a half of an acre of a lot with a shed. And it's so convenient, this home. Very, very convenient to downtown Franklin, and the price is going to blow you away. You can afford a cottage in the mountains. Welcome inside this charming and comfortable home. You're going to notice right off the wood-burning fireplace, just what you're going to want in your mountain home, and the vaulted ceiling, lots of light coming through the windows, the PERGO floors, and my favorite part of this home is the updated charming kitchen. I just absolutely love this. It has the soft closed doors, the white cabinets that everyone is looking for, the subway tile that everybody wants right now, and all of these modern appliances do stay with you, and it's open to the dining area as well. So we have 2 doors here. One leads out to the front covered deck, and the other leads out to easy access to the circular drive via a ramp. Okay, so let me show you the layout of the rest of the home. One of my favorite things about this house is that it's single level living. So here's your washer and dryer area, and that nice washer and dryer will stay. We have linen and vacuum closets to the right and left, and then we are into the master suite. So you're going to see that the PERGO flooring continues throughout the home. The nice neutral colors continue. There's lots of space in this room. And on this side we have the his and her closets. I'd really like to have that in my home personally. Now we have an updated counter height vanity in this ensuite master bath, and this is a step-in shower. So here is your second bedroom. Another ceiling fan with a light fixture is found here. And this room also has its own closet. And I will show you the guest / second bedroom bathroom, which has a tub shower combo. So if you're a bath taker like me, you will appreciate the fact that there is a bathtub in this home. Well, I hope that you enjoyed viewing this adorable home. I'm sure you noticed all of its great features, the ramp, which makes easy access for somebody who is in a wheelchair, and we've just got that great storage shed and that single level. I just love this charming, cute house, and you're going to love the price. So if you're watching this on YouTube, just click the link below. It's going to take you to my website where you're going to see more photos and see the listing price, and you can just give me a call, 828-421-7705, and we can go look at this home in person.